Hey guys, I got a new weight distribution hitch and a new drop hitch. Let's go install it. I gotta swap out the brackets. I gotta put a new drop shank in and adjust the height. So our back is now up and we can get to work. This should be fun. I'm coming from a Camco EAZ 1000 kit. We've weighed around some cat scales.
Somebody found the cat scale.
So we're anywhere from 900 to 1100. So what I'm gonna install is a new Equalizer 4-point. I'll show you more as I start putting that together, but time to get rid of this thing. First things first, we're gonna unhitch, and then I'm gonna pull forward, and then I'm gonna compare the hitch height to the trailer coupler height. Have to make sure everything's level. I'm even inflating the tires since that's what it said. You're supposed to do the full setup with full load, so that way you get proper weight distribution as if you're traveling with a full load. I'm just right now doing the drop shank part. I'll load up the trailer in a little bit. When this is done, we'll get blowing up the tires. And see that ball height? You want the ball height to be 0 to 1 inch below the top of the coupler. Yep, just me here, carrying my massive torque wrench. Let's get this going. 430 pounds. I'm gonna use this and hopefully it works. It's gonna rock. We gotta put the ball on, and then I also have to put the drop shank socket bolts together as well, and those need 300 something. It's in the book, I'll double check. Don't forget the daddy size box wrench too. 1 3/4 inch. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Do it. Ratchet, baby. Come on. Come on. Okay, you come do this. You come do this. Your whole job is just to keep it right here, because you're not gonna have enough force to hold it. So make sure you got a knee here, and more importantly, you're holding it up in here. It's on. Here we go. You should hear it click. Here we go. Here we go. Oh! One more. Hold it. Push it back. That was it. That was it. Push it back up. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna do one more. I'm not gonna force it, but I just want to.
Am I gonna get pinched?
No, because I'm just gonna.
Okay.
Just make sure your hand's not in the way. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Ah,
Got it.
that's definitely tight. Ah. Woo. Man, check it out. This thing goes up to 600 pounds. So I went to the 425 line and then 5 extra, so that's 430. And you saw over there, it clicks when you reach torque. Awesome, here we go. You need a bigger wrench, yeah? All right, thanks, helper. So far, self-installed, that torque wrench, it was about 300 bucks. That huge socket was 20 bucks. And then the box wrench I got used, it was a Tecton, but Amazon, I got used for like 25 bucks. So much better than taking your stuff to a dealer and hoping they do it right. All right, let's go, let's get this done. Here's the ball turned back up. Notice I have a 3-inch hitch receiver and also a 3-inch shank size drop hitch. That's a Camco EAZ model, 3-inch. It only comes in 1 drop, and I don't need any more drop because I'm at 0 to 1 inch of the coupler. Let's figure out where we need to mount the brackets. In order to do that, we have to measure the ball distance with the spring bars and their mounting locations. So we need about 27 to 32 inches, and we need to make sure it lines up without any obstructions. Yesterday, I got dumped on, but I was able to finish the link plates and torque those. So now the next step is to put the L bracket on, and we can continue with the spring bars and adjustments. Time to put these spring bars in. These are rated for 1,200 pounds. So I got the 1,200 pound kit, 12,000 pounds gross trailer weight, and 1,200 pounds Tongue weight. Our trailer weighs anywhere from 900 to about 1100 tongue, plus we put some stuff behind rear axle, so the 1200 pound should do the trick. Look, this huge heavy weight distribution kit, and then these little dinky cotter pins. What's up with that? Come on. Hey guys, I did some hitch work overnight. Check it out, got it done. New Equalizer 4-point weight distribution hitch. And I have a new drop hitch, which has a 3-inch hitch receiver size. Remember to properly torque everything. The hitch ball needs 430 pounds. The drop shank bolts need 320 pounds. These are called socket bolts, which are not labeled in the book, but these are the sockets for the spring arms, and these require at least 60 pounds, which are stated here up to 100. Now this thing pivots and you're supposed to lubricate here and here, and also the hitch ball. These are set to 75 pounds once you know the adjustments. And on the back, you'll see the link plate bolts. Those are in the 65 pound range. There's also this set bolt down here, and you don't torque that. You just get it tight and then half a turn. So make sure you guys torque the spec and be safe. We are good to go. 1200 pound tongue weight. Let's tow. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Yeah, how's it look?